look at this. This is gonna be us in the future. Hello you, I am Rhett with Turbocharged Tactics, and I'm finally able to get back onto the car. It rained for 3 days in Louisiana and it was absolutely monsooning, okay? Like the water almost got up to my house. It was bad. I had to put a cover over my window because the wind was blowing the rain in at such an angle it was flooding my car almost. That being said, I guess let's just get into it. So one of our main goals today is to get all this crap out of this car. We're switching to manual, so we don't need this. I kind of tore up the heater core, pulling it out, pulling the hoses off of it, so I'm going to have to replace those anyway. So I'm pulling the dash and everything. Yeah, I took the wires that go to the fuse box because we're shaving the inside of the engine base, so all that's got to come inside and I got to find somewhere to put it. So all that scrap's got to come out. It's a lot of crap, a lot of rat crap. Now, of course, with that being said, I had to put the hood back on because I am shoving all this crap into this little storage unit. My wife's gonna kill me probably. That's for later me to worry about.
Subscribe.
Well, this is where it's going to get interesting because I can't really get y'all down there to see what I'm taking off on the seat. Most of y'all already know, but if I get you down there, it's going to sound like, oh, wildebeest dying because of my breathing. So watch from there. Little bus I got right now, bud. It's missing a bolt anyway. How was y'all's weekend? Even not bolt. I couldn't think of any cool music to play during this, so home now. Well, she had 2 bolts holding her on there. I'm trying to get to this last one now. The edge, and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet, a super dude. Well, that's one seat down. Oh, look, a door handle. Rain-X. Well, center console's next. Once we get this out, I should be able, not mistaken, get the center console and this upper center console out. I should be able to get the carpet out. I had plans on putting like Dynamat or Kill Mat. And then I seen where they cut this stuff called lizard skin. If y'all know anything about either one of those, and if y'all prefer anything, let me know, because I heard they're both pretty decent. So, but let's get into this. I should have a screw here, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even know what. I mean, it don't matter. I ain't got no transmission in it, I guess. Come on out here. Come on. Listen here, pal. Okay, buddy. Probably could use my drill in here. That's probably a bit sped things a little. I think that's the only thing holding these on right now. Okay, maybe not. More screws. So much room for activities in here now. There's no telling what's under this actual center console. Hopefully it's a big ass pile of money. That'd be phenomenal. Now you should come out. Yeah, buddy. And you slip over the... And it's not. There ain't no money in it. Ain't that a booger? A quota. I almost have enough. I probably got enough. I give me a damn Code Red Mountain Dew. Hell yeah, brother. What is this? And honestly, I need y'all's opinion. Like, I don't know if you're supposed to get invited to the Freedom 500 or what, but if I'm able just to buy a ticket and join, I think we should get us a Crown Vic and go to the Freedom 500 next year. Because that's probably gonna how long it's gonna take me to be able to do that. But I don't know. What do y'all think? That'd be pretty dope. Hey, buddy. There's that one. Them two's out. Still don't see no damn money down here. Where all the money at? This is worse than I thought it was gonna be. All these wires that went to the Pompadour, whatever it was, are everywhere. I don't have the switch for the Pompadour, so I'm gonna have to replace it anyway. And I'm sure they've already upgraded that system since, you know, they put this in here. But look at this. That stuff runs all throughout this damn car. That we definitely gonna have our work cut out for us on this Accord and this wiring. Most parts look professionally done, and at the same time they look kind of I guess we'll get tore into this. I think this wiring is for another day. Go ahead and get this shifter and linkage pulled. So, hang tight. Now don't judge me because I got my little O'Reilly's power torque socket set. This is what I got. I had a lot of tools, a lot of money in tools, and I lost it all. We're starting over. We'll be alright. Should have 4 12s holding this in. Should be. Probably could be wrong. We're going to keep these bolts because I'm not 100% sure if the manual transmission bolts straight up into that or not. Manual shifter. Yeah, that looks complicated. Probably want to unplug that too. Wow. Yeah. You need one boo-boo kiss now. Old age. Plug in the honest one. How does this go? Look, buddy. As of right now, this is all we building. I have a feeling though, real soon, we're gonna have some builds that make you proud. But until then, we have the Accord, which is still gonna be dope. Still gonna be dope. It's just gonna be not as dope as the things that I have in here. Oh. Well then. And break. That one was dead. With a little bit of, oh, that one did break. Okay, guy. That's really sticky right there. It sucks. I don't like sticky things. Thank you. 100%. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, buddy. How you coming out of there? Come on out here. So do I need a... Yeah, I think that's what I need to put 10 on there. We take them 2 bolts out. We disassemble the shifter from... I'm sure I need to be up on her car now that I took the jack stands out. That's about right. Right. Luckily, this thing don't weigh nothing now. The old weight reduction. Hell, this one just got a ground. It ain't going to ground. I'm ground the shit out. Just slide on off there. I'm not your buddy, pal. Alright, this looks complicated. I don't think it's complicated. I don't think it's complicated. If I had tools, it wouldn't be complicated. This will work. This that used to be a screwdriver. Okay, buddy. Okay, pal. Listen here, guy. Get up in y'all's face for a moment. Yeah, buddy. This is how you do it? I have no clue, but this is how we doing it. Maybe. I don't know. I look like a master technician. Oh yeah, I am. I got that for me. Damn. Yeah, I need another boo-boo kiss. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Anybody need a shifter? Throw that in the do not need pile. That's a good place to store your. Oh man, I ain't seen one of these in a while. Look at this. McDonald's. The Monopoly from McDonald's. That's crazy. Wouldn't that be some shit if this is the one we needed to win the million? So that's up. We got that earring. We got most of it out. As far as for the video, I think we're gonna call it because I still gotta clean this carpet and store it, and probably start working on pulling these wires out for next week. Until that time, this is gonna be us in the future, but not now. No.